Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to create a graph using Microsoft Excel 2007 and cut and paste that graph onto a 120-day review. You're going to want to start by going to Christie and checking out the chart of the person that you're reviewing. And then you're going to come and open up Microsoft Excel on one of the computers. Once you're in there, you also open up your 120 review and go ahead and have that ready as well as your Excel. You start in cell A1 and you're going to write your goal number. We're going to chart goal 1. You go underneath it, you go to the first time that you worked on that goal during your rating period, during your 120-day review period, and you're going to take the number off of the Likert scale from 1 to 10 on goal 1. So let's say today, on this day from the chart, it's a 5. The next time you work on it, you rated their progress at a 6, a 5, a 6, 7, 6, 5, bad day at 4, horrible day at 3, back up to a 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then we have the goal 1, and then we have our numbers off of our records of service. You want to go up to the top there to A1, left click, drag it down, you highlight the whole thing. Then you go ahead and go up to insert, you go to line, and then you go down to this line graph and you click on that. That gives you your chart. Pretty easy. Now you'll notice that our scale is from 1 to 10 and this scale is only from 1 to 8. So you're going to want to go and right click on one of the numbers, go clear down to format axis, left click on that, and it has a thing, axis options. You want to go to maximum, hit fixed, set that at 10. That'll give us our number from 1 to 10. Let me start that over again so that everybody can see it here. Okay, you can see that part pretty good. Let me go through that one more time real quick here. I want to go ahead and drag this chart up here. I just left click in a white area and that'll get it up into viewing area for you. Okay. So anyways, how I did that for the vertical axis is I just right click on one of the numbers, go down to format axis, hit fixed, type in the 10, close. Alright, so there we have a graph representing the progress, and then we have a number from 0 to 10. So we're going to want to go ahead into one of the blank areas, you right click it, we're going to hit copy, open up our 120-day review. Underneath objective, I left click to place the cursor there, right click, paste it. And there we have our chart written in there. Let's say our first day of the review is January 1. (2011). I'm going to take the space bar and I'm going to go over and say the last day was April 1, 2011. That'll give us the time period that we're rating. I want to make sure everybody can see that. Okay, so basically I just wrote it's from January 1 to April 1. You want to go ahead and center this next line. And then this is really going to be up to you, however you graded the person's progress on that Likert scale. However you rated them, you're going to want to write down what a 0 meant, what a 5 meant, and what a 10 meant. So you need to figure that out for yourself, and we're going to move towards uniformity in this. What I do and what I would encourage you to do on your next rating period is this. I write 0 equals decompensation. That means you're looking at severe decompensation as 0 for me would mean my guy went to BHC or is looking at going to BHC adults, the same thing, BHC Blackfoot South. In other words, they're really struggling. A 5 for me equals baseline behavior. And that's the behavior that they started with in the program, and that's why they're here. If they got worse, they're going towards a 0. If they get better, they're going towards a 10. And for me, a 10 equals personal best. That means that they're doing their personal best towards this goal. It's not really going to get any better for them. If they're getting towards 10s, then we need a goal that fits them better for where they're at. So I hope this is helpful to everyone. I have one more thing I'd like to show you. Sometimes the formatting gets weird on these reviews, and the way that I've taught people to deal with it is you can just go in and left click at the very upper left hand side of the page. Let me make sure you guys can see that. Yep, you can see I got the cursor there where it says goal 3. And on this particular version of Word, you're going to want to right click there, hit insert, go to insert rows above. Okay. Basically, if there's an open space above this, that'll place a row above. Then you can cut and paste your text or graph up into the top here. A lot of times with this, you'll get too much space on this page, and it'll create a blank space, and it just kind of looks sloppy. So, anyways, that's how you can create a cell using this version of Word. Hope that was helpful to everyone, and I'm going to do the same thing on our other version of Excel and Word, so we got them both covered. Thanks, bye.